Hi, excuse me. I'm a photographer. I take photos of people in public. Okay lang bang kunan kita? Talaga? Parang hindi ko sure eh.
Okay lang.
Sige, sige. Can I take a photo of you somewhere na may ilaw? Sige, okay lang. Pwede ka umupo doon? Sige, sige. Thank you. Can you sit there? Test shots muna and then I will show you yung results para maging komportable ka. Okay lang, okay lang. Yeah, just sit there. Pwede kang pwede kang magmukhang galit, pwede kang magmukhang masaya. Depende sa'yo. Depende sa'yo. Your choice, your choice. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Teka mo muna. Paano ba? Let's try it na parang parang kanina, nakaganon ka lang, nakapamansa lang like that. Oo, testing lang. Let's try it out. Wait lang. Hanap ako ng lugar. Maybe you can try it there. Yan, dyan, yan. There you go. Let me try it. Oh, wayo. Oh, fierce. Ay, pak. Grabe, My Instagram is kodal.ph. kodal.ph.